Hello, this is Steve Van Skyke from Nextivity, and in this video we're going to talk about the Quatra 4000 review process. Every Quatra 4000 comes with one review by Nextivity, a professional review, and it is to occur after you've completed your install and your optimization. So please make sure that you've cleared all alarms and that you have looked at the radio data page for any of the alert icons. Those are not errors, they are simply indications that maybe some parameter could be a little bit better, and just like an alarm notification, if you click on them, there will be a pop-up window on your computer screen that gives you advice on how to maybe improve the performance for that parameter. So make sure all that work is done, and then we're going to take you right now through the process of getting your review. When you are ready to request your review, please navigate to your system page and find the link Submit for Review. Now remember, each system is entitled to one review. So before requesting your review, please make sure that you have completed your installation, cleared any alarms, aimed your donor antennas, and performed any optimizations. If you'd like a checklist of things to make sure that they've been completed, we have our Quatra 4000 site completion form that you can get from our support department, or you may have your own. We will send you an email that we have received your request, and after a few days you should receive another email with your report attached. Please do remember that each system is entitled to one review. If you have any questions, please contact our support department at Cel-Fi.com, and we thank you from everybody at Nextivity.